Hello friends, this is Coco from Landpack machine. Today I will introduce one of our flooring pack machine to you. And this machine, and we can use it to pack bread, biscuit, or vegetables. And it consists three parts: and feeding conveyor, and sealing structure, and outlet conveyor. Now I will introduce it to you one by one. This part is our feeding conveyor. This part, and we can adjust it according to your actual needs. If your bread is too long and you want to adjust the size and to meet the size, and you can lose the screw and move it, and you can meet your product size. It is very easy to adjust it. And this is a sensor, and its function is to is no product, no packing. It can save more product and material. And this part is our bag former. If you want to change the size to meet your product size, and you can adjust it via this handle, and it is easy to operate. You just screw it and to move it. Okay, let's move to the next part. About this part is our sealing part. This part is our vertical sealing, and this part is horizontal sealing. About this part, and we always use to heat this thing to seal the bag. And if you want your product to keep fresh, and we can add this nitrogen device to fill nitrogen into your bag. If you don't want this part, and you can turn off it via our touch screen. It is very flexible to operate it. Okay, now let's operate it to you. Let's start. This brush to make the bag more flat, more beautiful. Okay, that's all about our flooring pack machine. If you want to know more information about it, you can contact us via our website or our telephone number. Thank you.